Morning, guys. Good to see they're all doing good. A1's hernia is doing a lot better. I got this cyprochlor for Big D to spray on him. Let's make sure Big D doesn't have any more cuts on him. How you doing, bud?
Ho! 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 No! Ho!
They all got rained on, but it's good to see them up and going for the day. I think they're all chewing on something. I didn't show it, but last night we were checking A1's hernia, and we can only feel a little dimple now. It's like almost completely closed, even though a part of her umbilical cord, tube, whatever you want to call it, still kind of through there. We're not completely sure if that's okay, but she's only a few months old from what Corey says, because we got her at auction, so we don't really know. So everything I'm reading online, it says that it could potentially heal by the time they're 9 to 11 months old, which Corey and I don't believe, but from what's been going on with her, it seems like it might. So that's really great news, and we decided not to wrap her up again. We were like pushing her tube, guts, whatever you want to call it, up in there, and then basically using the umbilical area, that flap, folding it up in there and wrapping it. But that first time we did that, it seems like it kind of like kept everything up in there, I guess. So hopefully we don't have to do anything anymore, and it just closes up and everything's good. But let's make sure Big D doesn't have any more cuts on him. How you doing, bud? He got a little bit of blood right there. I'm gonna have to spray that. Come back. I think that's because it just rained, so it might look like fresh blood, but it's not. There, bud. Getting these sticky things off you. Doing a lot better, bud. He definitely bounced back after I gave him that iron and ivermectin. He does have. Oh, bud. He's got some, like, definitely fresh blood right there on his neck. What's that, bud? I think it was bleeding more just on his neck area. What it looks like. What's that, bud? What's that? Yeah, I'm gonna have to come back and spray that. We do not want screwworms to get in there and eat his flesh. Could be really bad. Hey, bud. You're a good boy. I'm gonna come back and fix you up, bud. And A1 here, we had to spray. Ah, it's on the other side. She had a bit of parasite right there. You can see her that purple mark right up in the front of her hip. She had some parasite skin problems where if they get parasites, their skin kind of dries up, their fur falls off, and it's right in that area that her skin's moving when she walks. So it kind of like scabbed up and kind of barely started bleeding. So we had to spray that for her. But we just deparasited her with fenbendazole and ivermectin. So if it gets any worse, we're gonna have to give her some more ivermectin. But we're just kind of trying not to right now and seeing if play it by ear and see if it does get any worse. Those three are grouped up. All friends. I got this cyprochlor for Big D to spray on them. It's antibacterial. It'll keep bugs away. It'll keep flies away, which that's the The fly larva a lot of times carries the screw worms that are the flesh-eating worms. Hey, bud. Big D's the only cow that, besides the Angus, the Mama Angus, that'll be real friendly and like the scratches and stuff. But he's got some blood here, but I think that's from his neck when he was laying down. And I don't think it's new. Ooh, I do see some blood on his back leg back here, but what's that? Maybe that's from him, like, putting his head on his back legs, I think, because I don't see any cut. So that's good. I think these are all just got him good on the back of his ear, which isn't new. And then he had a cut on his neck right here. Oh, we're running out. He feels a little burn. That's why he's. It's all good, bud. It's all good, bud. Oh, I got some shit. It's all good, bud. I'm trying to fix you up. And I'm running out. No. I barely got that. Not good enough. Alright, I think we have one more can. I'm gonna have to go get it. They're all curious what I'm doing. It's all good. I'm fixing Big D up. It's been raining all morning here pretty much, and it's making the soil real nice and soft for us. We're going to continue on that Mombasa grass, transplanting it from the road into our small pasture here. But this is like a test for when we do a bigger pasture, one of our front pastures that we have the horses in right now. I think we're going to do strips in there, and hopefully Mombasa grass will take over. This thing didn't work. We're like, yeah, do we have another can? Yeah, the ground's a lot softer today. So far, we haven't had any problems with pigs not getting out. We turned the electric fence on for maybe 1 day, maybe 2 days, not even. And they get a taste of the electric fence, they know it's there, and then we can turn it off. Because we use that same power cord for pumping the water up from the river. But that's a nice thing about electric fencing. This is with cows too, is that cows, horses too, but the horses do like to test it a lot more than cows and pigs. But you turn the electric fence on, they might zap themselves a couple times, know it's there, and they just know. Like even you could even with pigs, they don't have as good at eyesight, so you could even take the electric fence away, and they still know that boundary, that area where the electric fence was, that they won't want to cross it. Unless they're a bad pig. Every now and then you'll get those. This is at least twice as fast versus yesterday. I for sure dug more holes in the past hour than all what I did yesterday in probably 4 hours. Maybe 3.5 hours. Yeah, 4 hours. Just because it rained, the soil gets so much soft. And even though we took the hose to it yesterday, hosed her down, it still doesn't, the water didn't get as deep as when it rains all night. Corey told me the rain started about 2 a.m. Then it stopped at like 4, and then it started again like 5 or 6 a.m. or something like that, which is great. We needed that. It's end of August, so hopefully all September and October we have more of a normal rainy season, because the rainy season's been acting like a dry season lately, which is not good, because when we get into the actual dry season, halfway through or even less, our pastures don't grow. And obviously we need grass to feed the cows, and a lot of the farmers at the auction have been selling off their cows lately. So cows pricing here in Costa Rica has been at a very low price. I can't say all-time low, obviously, but probably an all-time low within the past couple years for sure. It's great we can let the chickens in here because there's no seed. Even the Mombasa grass doesn't seed. It just reroots itself, kind of like the banana trees do. Just comes up another root and starts growing off itself. So now we can leave the chickens out actual free range now. I let them out this morning. There's a good old load of Mombasa. Alright. Where'd my holes go? Okay, I got one here. One. I'm gonna try to start with the smaller ones, because your smaller holes up here, and then as we get further out, made them a little bigger, not thinking. Which is good though, for some of them.
Starting to look like the movie Holes out here.
Yeah, I was thinking that.
Ho! 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 No! Ho! No! No, you ball! Ho! No! Ho! No! Ho! Yeah!
There she goes. Mr. Browman Bull here has been in heat lately. I think he wants one of the cows over here. So I hope he doesn't break any fences. But I come over here to check on the horses. What was it? That bull right there had screw worms in his hoof. And her right here, you can see actually. Well, maybe not. Barely. Right here, her back right hoof. You can barely see a little bit of red in there. So I hope she's doing good. We gotta spray her again with the cyperchlor so that the screwworms don't come back, because it's an open wound, still bleeding. There's Palomino, Donkey's Maybelline, Princess. Forget their names sometimes. Hey Maybelline. Him, I don't think he has a name. Hey girl. Hey bud. This is Portucania. She's probably the fastest horse here. She's kind of like half broke, I guess. Like, she'll just get out when you ride her, and just only thing she wants to do is run. Super fast. Hey princess. She's got a little bit of a red on her face. It's all good, girl. Yep, horses are real curious. I like them though. I don't have any of my own. I want to get them, start training them. It's all good, bud. Alright, well this is going to be the end of the video. The rest of today we just digging holes to plant that Mombasa grass, and it's looking real good. It's an instant jungle, really. Hit the subscribe and like button right now because you made it to the end of the video. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for the daily videos here in Costa Rica. Hey, bud. This is Fish. She likes to flop.